Good morning. I want to introduce myself. Hopefully I'll be able to get through the video without telephone calls and little kitty cats jumping all over the place. This is not the first attempt to do this, so please bear with me if there are some interruptions. However, I want to let you know that I am a tax resolution expert. I resolve tax issues in all 50 states and U.S. territories. I am highly qualified to do so. I have over 30 years in the field of accounting and taxation. I am a trained accountant, and I'm also trained in taxation. I worked for the Internal Revenue Service as a field agent for 17 years. I experienced a lot of different situations with taxpayers and their representatives, and consequently, when I retired from the government a few years ago, actually in 2006, I decided to go into the tax business to assist taxpayers and to help them avoid a lot of the problems that I saw when I was on an audit and someone was representing the taxpayer. I saw a lot of delays on purpose. I saw a lot of blocking. I mean, it was just amazing, all the things that a lot of these representatives attempt to no avail. It doesn't stop the audit. It doesn't prevent the tax examiner or the revenue agent from doing their job. It is annoying, and sometimes it can turn against the taxpayer because the tax auditor, the Internal Revenue Service tax revenue agent, just might get fed up and not want to be as helpful as they usually are. And basically, a revenue agent is the assessor of taxes and is a fair person. It's not just someone out to get you. That's something that you've got to get out of your mind. They are there to do their job and to ensure that you have correctly reported your income and correctly reported your business expenses. So I want to let you know that I am here to help you on all these tax matters. I am very highly qualified. I work independently. I don't have other people who do the work for me. I do it myself. I do tax preparation, tax planning, tax consulting, and I resolve all administrative tax matters. It doesn't matter whether you're a non-filer who has never filed tax returns. I'm here to help you file those back taxes. If you are an employee and your employer did not withhold sufficient taxes from your paychecks, I can help you determine the correct amount of withholdings to report to your employer. There's innumerable ways that I can be of assistance to you, whether you have a serious tax matter that needs resolution, whether you have a tax audit where you need tax representation, whether you have a tax debt that you would like to settle through the offer of compromise, or you want to enter into an installment agreement. I can stop levies on bank accounts. I can stop garnishments on wages and stop liens as well. I am trained to help you, and I understand both the issues with the taxpayer and what IRS is looking for and what the IRS can and cannot do. So please consider me when you are looking for a tax expert, particularly one to solve those tax problems. Contact me, and I'm going to be more than willing and more than capable of assisting you in all your tax matters in a very sincere and cost-efficient manner. So thank you, and don't forget to call me if you have any questions at all. My phone number is 480-292-7604. Thank you again.